Bangkok! Bago kami pumunta ng Disneyland Hotel, kakain muna kami dito sa airport kasi gutom na. Past 1 na din or 1 o'clock. Look at the little boy. Sarap ng buhay, ma ba?
Mickey Mouse is there.
Oh yeah, Mickey Mouse.
Disneyland!
Don't forget Minnie Mouse. Yes, I forgot to get Minnie Mouse.
This is it! Yeah.
This looks like a mansion. Oh, there's Simba. I saw it.
Nakapila ako for check-in. Under my name kasi yung reservation.
I can't believe Pluto showed up.
Excited to see our room, Ab?
This is called a mansion. That's what I'm saying.
Aba.
Oh my gosh. I don't know my shoes.
I'll show Amma the room.
Oh, sure.
Oh, ang ganda ng view natin, oh.
Oh my god, what side is the maze?
You see the window? What's on the window?
The window?
What is this?
It's chipmunk.
Chipmunks. Goofy, of course. I'm Pluto.
So did you see Pluto? Did you see Pluto earlier?
Yeah. And then the Disney castle. There's the. This is so. The tub is here!
Oh, your favorite tub.
There's even a luxurious toilet.
Oh, cute.
What is it?
The dwarf
It's so
from
cold.
Snow
It's so
White.
cold here. It's so cold.
It's so
nice.
Baby naked. Johnny's just on the other side of the pleasure pool. All aboard. Does this make you uncomfortable? Because if so, there's no shame in calling it quits.
Yes.
We're looking for the storybook playroom. Okay, there you go. Mab, here's the storybook playroom. May mga nagtuturo ata. Okay na, ito, here's the elevator. First floor. Wow! Hello! Yeah?
Now we can go inside. Whoa! So
Cute! May mga mini pad dito. Coloring materials.
Mom, look at me.
This trip is for Maverick. Grabe naman. Sobrang busy naman ito. Babysitter. Well, ang job description ko, housewife / mother / yaya / singer / vlogger. Ano pa ba? / mag-iisip pa ako. Parang gusto kong dagdag.
This one could be the first one. Like this. Okay, you can scan it.
Galing mo.
I think I just do this.
Oh! Galing oh!
That was an apple.
It's an apple!
Wait.
Nakakatuwa! Okay, drive the boat.
Like this.
Ano yan?
Suppose. Wait, before that, let's see this. Wait, a video.
Okay, go. Bongga ang staircase. Ang saya ng anak ko. Saan ka pupunta? Saan, Mav?
Some maze.
Sa maze.
Yeah, but how do we open this?
Ayun na si Mav. Let's explore! Gonna go around? Again? Again? Natatanaw ko siya mula dito. Mamaya lalabas kami dun sa dagat kasi nakabukas yung gate. Napakaganda. Every time na lumalabas kami ng bansa, siguro madalas yung narinig sa akin, napakaganda. Totoo naman talaga. Ayan, si Mav, naglalaro lang. Yay! You made it! Out of the maze! So you already know the pattern inside the maze?
Wait, I forgot something.
Oh, ano? Ano yun? Okay, let's go, Mav!
Mom, you have to follow me. Come on, let's go.
Let's go. Pati ako napasubo. Kakitid naman
Any
dito.
dead ends.
Huh? What?
So, if you look for any dead ends, just go back.
Okay.
Okay?
If I see a dead end, just go back. Okay, got it.
It's a dead end.
It's a dead end, so go back.
Like this.
Is this the right way?
I'll show you where the ocean.
Okay. Paikot-ikot. Oh, saan na, Mab? There.
Hindi.
Go there.
Hindi. So,
Ay, salamat. natapos din. Ito yung sinasabi kong dagat. So beautiful. Grabe, ang ganda.
Let's go there.
Yung katabi namin ay yung swimming pool. Meron din silang indoor pool. Mamaya puntahan natin. And then lift your foot. There you go. Lift your foot. There you go. Another. And then your body. And then crawl.
Once you get up to
Crawl.
here,
Galing! Ang ganda ng bulaklak. Oh, wow. Kanina dito pala ako nakapila nung nag-check-in kami. And now, we're looking for the indoor pool. Ayan, indoor and outdoor pool. Nakita na natin kanina yung outdoor. Hindi naman magsiswimming eh. Okay. Nandito tayo kanina, Mag. Oh. The indoor pool is here. Amazing, Mav! Look! This is Disneyland Hotel Indoor Pool. Pretty. Mav, do you want to swim? You want to swim? What? You can buy one if you want. Okay.
We're going to the shuttle.
Okay.
Ah, ito yung shuttle.
Oh, wait. Oh, ito na pala yung shuttle. Magdi-dinner kami sa kabilang hotel. Ito yung Explorers Lodge. Bale, tatlo kasi yung Disney Hotel. Yung kung saan kami ngayon, Explorers Lodge, and then Hollywood. So, dito kami mag-dinner. Explorers. Ayan. Oh. Tagabi ko lang may kagsalir kay niyo. Oragon Wino. I'm hungry. Ito yung restaurant voucher. You can consume this sa tatlong hotels. So, diba, may discount.
Okay, Francis.
Pabalik na kami. Ayan, sinabalik ko masayaw. Naglakad na lang kami papunta sa aming hotel.
Stick around for day 2.
Mga 10 minutes lang naman. We're here! Psst. What are you doing?